Hello friends, good afternoon. Today we will talk about Ctenophora. So we will talk about an animal which is belonging here, that is Ctenophora. In this particular phylum we will understand the general characteristic feature of this phylum, which is called as Ctenophora, their mode of reproduction as well as nutrition, etc. Now let us understand the phylum Ctenophora. Here this phylum is commonly known as sea walnuts or comb jellies. So in this phylum they are commonly known as sea walnut or comb jellies. They belong in this particular phylum Ctenophora. So animal of the Ctenophora are marine. They are having a radial symmetry. So they are marine, basically they are marine, found in sea and oceans, and they are having a radial symmetry. So radial symmetry is that means their body is not going to divide equally into two half, but they are having a radial symmetry, not a bilateral symmetry. Here we will talk about their diploblastic. Diploblastic means two layers are found in this particular animal, and that is why it is diploblastic. One more important characteristic of this phylum is they have tissue level organization. So tissue level organization means their body is made up of cells. Cell is the smallest unit. They combine together, they form tissue, as well as organ formation take place, and then the body formation. That is called as tissue level organization. Body bears 8 external rows. So body bear 8 external rows of ciliated comb plates. So in this phylum, this is an important feature, that body bears 8 external rows of ciliated comb plates. So what is the comb plates and what is its function, we will understand. Comb plates helps in locomotion. So it helps in locomotion in the hydrophytic area. Digestion, which can be seen extracellular digestion can be seen in this animal, as well as intracellular digestion is also seen in this particular animal. Ctenophora kingdom particular phylum always show extracellular digestion as well as intracellular digestion with the help of water current inside the body of particular animals. Bioluminescence. So bioluminescence is one of the most important characteristic of this phylum Ctenophora, and it means that they emit light. So animal used to emit light, and that is why they are bioluminescence in nature and well marked in Ctenophora. So this is an underlying characteristic feature, means the animal is bioluminescent, they emit light in this particular phylum. Sexes are not separate. So sexes are not separate, even if we can see that one animal have two sex organ, means they are hermaphrodite. So they are hermaphrodite and the sexes are not separate, even it is found in one body, and reproduction take place by sexual means. So reproduction how take place by sexual means. Formation of male and female gamete take place, then the formation of zygote, and finally the sexual means reproduction will take place. Fertilization is external with the indirect development. So in this the fertilization is what? External. So fertilization is external with indirect development, means egg will convert into larva, larva into pupa and to adult, and by that way the fertilization will take place, or we can say the developmental stage is found. Indirect fertilization, after fertilization the developmental stage is found, which is indirect in nature. Example like Plurobranchia and Ctenophora. There are two examples, one is Plurobranchia and second is Ctenophora. So here we are seeing a diagram. This diagram, which is an example of Ctenophora, it is called as Plurobranchia. So animal is known as Plurobranchia. The animal have, here we can understand the structure of the particular animal. Here it is called as anal pore. This pore which is present, it is a posterior end, it is anal pore. So by that the excretion of solid waste material or liquid waste material take place with the help of anal pore, and this is a gut which is found at the center or mid region. Ctenes are here, these linings are called ctenes, and here we will see this is a mouth. So when we see study the structure, the food enter with the help of mouth, and then it will move to the gut and then by the anal pore. So, this is a particular flow, means by mouth the water current will enter inside. There the if any microorganisms or some small animals are entering in the body, basically in the gut, and then after digestion which we have already talked about, that is extracellular as well as intracellular digestion. After digestion the excretion will take place with the help of anal pore. So, mouth to gut and then anal pore, this is a pathway which take place, and the formation of energy take place for the animal working, and these layers are called cteni, and these are the two tentacles which you are seeing. The tentacles are useful in locomotion. So, animal having a locomotion with the help of tentacles. This is the animal known as pleurobranchia. So, this animal is known as pleurobranchia. Food water current, it moves into the move with the help of mouth, then move to the gut, anal pore, these are the ctenes, and here the two eye structure which originate with the tentacles, one pair tentacle is found, and this is the pharynx region. So, mouth to pharynx and pharynx to gut and gut to the anal pore. So, by this with the digestion which is intracellular as well as extracellular digestion has been seen. They used to emit a light also, that is also a bioluminescence feature. In the case of Ctenophoras, they are hermaphrodite, and sexual reproduction can be seen. One body they have two sex organs, and sexual reproduction is seen there. The indirect development is also seen in these animals. They have tissue level of organization with radial symmetry, as well as they are marine. Example like sea walnut or combi jellies, they are the common which is found in Ctenophora, and major examples are pleurobranchia and Ctenophora, Ctenoplana. So, in this Ctenophora you will see the pleurobranchia is an important example. The structure we have already defined. Thank you.